Today we're diving into chakra meditation. If you've been feeling stuck, anxious, low on creativity, or just a bit off, this 5,000-year-old energy map might be exactly the practical tool your modern life's been missing. It's an ancient practice, but it's surprisingly useful for our super busy, always on world. In this video, I'm going to break it down in a really simple, grounded way so you can actually use it to feel more balanced, more calm, and more connected to yourself. And make sure you stay with me till the end, because I'll walk you through one powerful activation breath that ties this entire chakra map together. Let's jump in. You probably know this feeling. You're a bit stuck, anxious, in a creative rut, or you just don't feel like yourself. If that sounds familiar, you are absolutely not alone. A lot of the time, those feelings are really just signals that our internal energy could use a tune-up. And that's exactly what chakra meditation is designed to support. What is chakra meditation, really? At its core, it's a type of guided meditation. But instead of only focusing on your breath, you use a symbolic map of 7 energy centers, called chakras, to guide your attention through your entire body. You can think of it as a structured, step-by-step, full-body check-in, physically, emotionally, and mentally. And before we go deeper, it's really important to be clear about what this practice is and what it isn't. This is not about joining a religion. It's not about believing in some mystical power. Think of it as a practical, mental focus technique, a tool to help you direct your attention, calm your nervous system, and relax. You don't need any special beliefs for it to be beneficial. The magic is simply in where you place your awareness and how gently and consistently you practice. All right. Let's talk about the map itself. The chakra system is made up of 7 main energy centers that run along your spine, from the base all the way up to the top of your head. Each center is linked to different physical, emotional, and mental themes. Let's walk through them one by one. We start at the foundation, the root chakra. Muladhara. It's located at the base of your spine. This chakra is all about grounding, your connection to the earth, and your basic sense of safety. Security and stability. When this center feels out of balance, you might feel anxious, unsettled, or like the rug has been pulled out from under you. Moving up, we arrive at the sacral chakra. Swadhisthana. In your lower abdomen, just below your navel. This is your center of creativity, emotions, sensuality, and simple, joyful pleasure. If you're feeling creatively blocked or like your emotions are all over the place, gently bringing your awareness here can help restore a more natural flow of joy and inspiration. Next is the solar plexus chakra, Manipura. In your upper abdomen, around the stomach area. Think of this as your personal power station. This is where your confidence, self-esteem, motivation, and willpower live. When this chakra is balanced, you feel that strength in your gut. You feel capable, decisive, and ready to take action. In the center of your chest, we have the heart chakra, Anahata. This is often described as the bridge between your physical side and your emotional or spiritual side. It's all about love for yourself and others, compassion, forgiveness, and connection. When your heart chakra is open, you can give and receive love more freely, with less fear and less defensiveness. Moving up again, we come to the throat chakra, Vishuddha. You know that lump you get in your throat when you're afraid to speak up? That's the exact area we're talking about. This is your communication center, your ability to speak your truth and express yourself clearly, honestly, and confidently. If you've ever held back from saying what you really mean, or felt like people don't truly hear you, working with this chakra can create a powerful shift. Next, in the space between your eyebrows, is the third eye chakra, Ajna. This is the seat of your intuition and inner wisdom, that deep sense of "I just know" that comes from within. When this chakra is balanced, you see your life with more clarity. You trust your instincts, and your decisions feel more aligned with who you really are. And finally, at the very top of your head, we have the crown chakra, Sahasrara. This is your connection to the bigger picture, to the universe, to a higher consciousness, or simply to a sense of meaning and purpose that's larger than your daily to-do list. It represents that feeling of being connected to life, to others, and to something beyond just me. Now that we have the map, the real question is, how do we use it? How do we begin the journey? It starts with your breath. Focus on your breath. When you breathe with awareness, the breath becomes prana, your life energy. As this energy flows, you gently guide your attention to each chakra, one at a time, following a simple, intentional process. Breath and awareness together become the pathway, helping you access the balance, clarity, and energy that already exist within you. This is just the beginning of your journey. In the next session, we'll go deeper, guiding you step by step through the full chakra meditation experience. If you feel called to continue, stay connected, so you're ready when the deeper practice unfolds. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video. The journey into chakra meditation. Bye for now.